It's about day 40 and it's the first time that the umbrella has come out of the cave.
40 days and the rain has come.
We are down by the river Rhine this morning. It's very early, it's about 7 or before 7. There's no one about. It's really quite peaceful down here. We're heading towards the very old, I think it's medieval town of Stein Am Rhein.
Located in the northeast of Switzerland. We're very close to the German border. I like the red on all the buildings I can see. Just first glimpse. Well looked after.
Very pretty, like a little fairy tale village. So we'll see what it's like.
And every single building in this area is incredible art. It's kind of weird how it's a functioning place even though the buildings are from 1500. It's crazy. Yeah.
This is the place for your souvenirs as well, it looks like. You've got all your Swiss stuff, haven't you?
You've got Swiss watches, Swiss army knives, Swiss cuckoo clocks, Swiss chocolate, differential salt.
That's a lot of chocolate. We've come back along the river a little way from Stein Am Rhein and...
Got a tea going.
Yeah, and we saw this little bridge across the river on the way up, so we thought we'd try and find it. I think we just have.
I think we're going to get a lovely view of the river, some nice scenery, and the church sits on the middle of this island. Oh.
Look at these views, it's nice, isn't it?
Very nice, isn't it, from here?
The water is really clear, you can actually see through to the reeds, and there's a massive fish, look at them!
Wow!
Wow.
They are huge!
So we've seen the Rhine Falls just along the road from here.
Click the link up there. That was a good day, that one. That is really definitely worth going to, the Rhine waterfall.
And now just down the river, it's sort of this calm, tranquil... Hello. So we've seen all different sort of aspects of the river, which is pretty nice.
Must be a monastery, do you think?
We'll have a look, shall we?
The Rhine River is one of the major European rivers. It forms part of the Swiss Liechtenstein, Swiss Austrian and Swiss German borders.
No way.
So that's how big this river is.
It's absolutely huge here, isn't it?
Yeah. We are now on the island.
Look how pretty this is. Looks like a little picture postcard, doesn't it? It's very well kept, isn't it?
Again, very decorative.
Yeah.
Like the old town we've just been in.
Yeah. They really look after buildings here. Unexpectedly nice, I would say. This little tiny island in the middle of the river with a little church on and a beautiful garden. It's There's loads of benches and you can just sit and watch the river. It's so peaceful.
Very nice, isn't it? Peaceful.
Yeah. We're moving on to a different part of Switzerland tomorrow, so more good stuff to come.
We're hoping to take a day trip to a new country.
Oh yeah.
So stay tuned for that. Hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, appreciate it.
Yeah. Send us a comment or ask a question if you like, and share and like and all that lovely stuff. And we'll see you from a different part of Switzerland next time.
See you soon.